Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support videos. In this video, we will explain how to program an output module to activate for selected inputs. In the example shown, we will be forming a group that has the two smoke detectors, addresses 7 and 8, and they will be used to activate the output module address number 12 as shown here. The first step is to highlight the output module that you'll be using. This will then reveal all its details on the bottom right hand side of the screen. On the left here it shows all of the default settings for the output module. We need to change those and turn off all the responses. That includes the alarm response, zonal response, evacuation response, delays and all other responses. The only response that needs to be left on is the group response. If the others are left on, they will override your group, so make sure they're turned off and your settings look like the image on the right. Next, click on the Group tab at the top of the screen. Then select all the devices you want to put in your group. That includes all the inputs, i.e. the two smoke detectors, and the output module. Use the Control key to highlight all the devices in one go. Then drag and drop them over the Group 1 text line as shown here. This will then populate the group number 1, and the top box on the right hand side there are all the input devices, and the bottom box are the output devices. So at the top there we have our two smoke detectors and the input of the input output unit, and at the bottom we have the output part of the input output unit. We're only interested in controlling the output part, so the first step is to remove the input from our inputs list there. This is done by right hand clicking on the input part of the I/O and then choose the remove device option that pops up. So now we just have the two inputs, i.e. the two smoke detectors at addresses 7 and 8, and the output module relay part, which is device 12 at the bottom there. Next we can rename the group if you want to, so we can, rather than leaving it as default group 1, you can overwrite that and call it door control or gas control or whatever. We need to then make sure that the activation mode is set as normal. That means any input will trigger any output. We can also, if we want to, add a delay to the control of the output there. That's in seconds, and you can have anything up to 240 seconds delay before the output part of the group trips. By default, they'll be set as 0. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at www.haes-tech.com.